Indane Gas booking status. How to check Indane Gas booking status online. Log on to the official website of Indane Gas. Use your login credentials and access your private account on the site. Click on the option that says View Order History and click on the relevant order for which you wish to know the status. Find the refill booking status online. Track Indane Gas booking status through IVRS. Call the IVRS number for Indane Gas depending on your location. Once you are connected with the IVR, select your preferred language option. The system will then prompt you to identify the distributor. To do this, you must enter the telephone number of the distributor along with the STD code. Once the distributor has been identified, the system will need to identify the customer. For more information about LPG gas connection, click on the link from the video description. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Dial Bank and hit the bell icon for the further notification of our videos.